What's going on, gents? Welcome to another video review. My name is Richard from Assemble Style, and today we're checking out the brown suede trucker jacket by Angel Jackets. Now, full disclosure, Angel Jackets did reach out to me and provided product for this video review, but everything that I'm about to say are my honest thoughts, and I am not being compensated to say anything outside of my own opinion. It's how I always do it on this channel. They don't even know how this review is going down, so let's get to it. Now, to be honest, I never heard of Angel Jackets, but I did do my due diligence ahead of time, and their rating on Trustpilot is sitting at a 4.9 with over 600 reviews, so we're off to a good start here. Now, even though this jacket was sent out for review, they still had to go over the ordering process just like any other order. So my order was placed on the 17th of June. I received shipping confirmation the next day, and the package was delivered on the 21st via DHL. I also want to note that even though their offices are located in Chicago, the jackets are actually shipping directly from India. Yes, India. This is, not something to be alarmed or knock the brand as being cheap. I mean, many designer brands, in fact, they source a lot of their leather goods from India, Pakistan, and I believe they're like the second largest producer as well, whereas China sits at number 1. Okay, so unboxing / first impression. The jacket just came in a standard tearaway package and was securely wrapped in this travel dust bag along with care information tags and whatnot. But when I got my first feel of that suede, it was better than what I was expecting, to be honest, especially at this price point. I was expecting the hide to have many imperfections and have a bit of rougher texture that feels more like nubuck than suede, but surprisingly, it feels very soft, supple, and it has a bit of nap to it as well. I also want to note that it does have a very strong smell from the tannery, so I don't know if like the suede was freshly dyed before they shipped it out. But the smell does fade, within a day or two, once you air it out. Now, as for the color, it looks very rich and vibrant, and at certain angles you can actually, see like the texture of the suede. The stitching is something else to commend them on as well. Everything is neatly stitched with no zigzags or weird angles to cover up a mistake during this process. It's perfect, actually. Let's take a look inside of the jacket. Now, one thing that I do not like is that the whole jacket is polyester lined. Now, I know this is a way to keep production costs down and keep things affordable as possible when buying an entry-level suede jacket, but I just thought I should note this in the video. Now, is it a big deal? No, not really. Many designer brands do the same thing, but this is a light to medium weight jacket. It would have been great if they included a lining that is a bit more breathable, but for the price point, I mean, I can't ask for much here. Alright, so let's move on to the fit. Now, you can determine your size based on their size chart or go through the size calculator. I tried both and was suggested a size medium. Now, I've done a fit guide on how a trucker jacket should fit, and I'll link that up above. And unfortunately, this one does run a bit big on me on the sleeves, the length, waist, but the shoulders fit perfect. I also want to note that the shoulders do have a very light, shoulder padding. I actually prefer to not have shoulder padding on my casual jackets, but on this one I don't really mind it because it's just very, very, very light. Now, I'm curious on how a small would have looked, but I'm worried that maybe the shoulders would be too tight. But yeah, the fit on this is not slim. For this style jacket, I would have to get some things altered, but it's still wearable. I'm not like drowning in it. Overall, I think this is a pretty good entry-level suede jacket, with the lining being my only drawback. But for the price, for what you're getting, it's very fair in my opinion. Now, I actually spent more on lesser quality suede, and while I was digging through my suede jacket collection, it feels very similar to my John Varvatos coat, texture and everything really. And remember when I said about China and India being the top leather producers? Well, look at John Varvatos. Look where they source their leather from. I'll show you right now. Yep, made in China, and I paid a premium for this. I forgot how much it was. It was pretty pricey. But yeah, comparing it, you know, to my Express one and another one that I got in Nordstrom for like 500 bucks, the quality is actually much better on the Angel jacket. So I think the price currently is 219 bucks, and I know they have sales during the holidays, so keep your eyes peeled for any added discounts. And if anything, you could also use a code that they sent me out as well during checkout, and I'm trying to remember it, but I'll make sure to link it down in the description below. I want to give a huge thank you to Angel Jackets for reaching out, and you guys as well for watching. And that wraps up this video, guys. See you on the next one. Peace.